everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I made this intro using CapCut on my iPhone for free. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go on your search engine and search lined paper. I'm using this one here. I'll try to have the link in the description below, but any lined paper will do. And then you're going to go into CapCut, click the plus sign where it says new project, then go to photos and click the lined paper that we just saved. And then you're going to go to aspect ratio and click where it says 16:9 because that is the size of a YouTube video. And then you are going to zoom in until you don't see the red line anymore, just like I'm doing here. And then after that, you are going to drag the paper to about 5 seconds just so we have some room to work with here. Then you're going to go to video effects and you're going to scroll until you find Doodle Diary. Once you click on that, you're going to hit the plus sign and drag it till it fits the whole lined paper, and you'll notice it gives us a crinkled line effect. From there, we are going to go to text and you're going to type in your channel name or whatever name that you want for the intro. Here I'm using Amari Allure. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. After you typed out the name, you are going to go to where it says fonts and scroll down until you find North Well Clear. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It'll be in the description below as well. But I just clicked on that, and now you're going to make it pretty big like I'm doing here, and you want to center it as best as you can. It might look a little uncentered, but that is okay. You just want to get it as centered as you can. Once you do that, you are going to click on the check mark and you are going to drag the text all the way until it fills the whole white line. After that, we are going to go into animations, and you are going to scroll until you find type 1. And you're going to move the seconds to about 1.8 seconds. Then you are going to click on the check mark and you're going to watch it back, make sure it's the speed that you like it and that everything looks good. And from there, you are going to export it to your device. And we are going to go into Photoroom, or I have a link to a eraser app down below. But with Photoroom, you're just going to click on the app and then you are going to click on the photo that you want to erase. It'll erase it. You click transparent. Then you are going to click on the image and click shadow, and you'll see it add the shadow and then save to photos. And from there, we're going to go back into CapCut and you're going to click new project, and you are going to add the video that we just saved, and you're going to click overlay and you are going to add this photo that we just erased the background of, and you're going to center it and make it look big the way that your photo looks best. From there, we're going to go to animation and you're going to scroll until you find slide up, and we're going to move that to about 0.8 seconds. And then you're going to hit the check mark and save that, and you want it to come in just after the name finishes typing out. Then you're going to move it around, get it the way you want it to look, and then you are going to save that to your device as well. And we're going to open up a new project on CapCut, click on the video that we just saved, and you're going to click on where it says cover and drag it to a cover you're going to remember, so we know that is the final project. And from there, you are going to find the original video that we edited where it just has the channel name, and you are going to click the 3 dots and duplicate it. And we are going to use this as our social media slide so we don't have to re-find all the fonts. You're just going to click on the font and you're going to hit duplicate, and you're going to type in the social medias that you want. I'm just doing 2, and I'm doing Instagram and TikTok for this, but you can do as many as you want that fits for your screen. So I'm just shrinking them down till it gets to a good size where there'll be enough room for a photo and there'll be enough room for our usernames below. And you're just going to move them around to where you think they look best. And from there, we're going to go back into Photoroom and you're going to erase the background of another photo. So that's what I'm doing here. I click on another photo, you're seeing it erase, click on transparent, click on the image, and you'll click where it says shadow and it'll automatically add a shadow. Click save image and go back into CapCut. Then you are going to go to photos and add that photo we just erased the background, and you're going to make it as big as you want. This is how I have it right now. I do end up making the photo a little bit bigger towards the end, but this is where it is right now. And you're pretty much going to move everything around so you like the way it looks. From here, I'm going to take the animation off because I don't want any animation on the Instagram or TikTok. So you are going to scroll to animation, scroll all the way to the top and click none. And from there, you are going to click on the TikTok and click duplicate. And we are going to type in her social media username for Instagram. So you're seeing me type in her name here. And after that, we are going to go into where it says fonts, and you are going to scroll until you find the font SmallWrite Rg. And you're going to try to put that right under the line under Instagram. You're going to see me move it around a lot so that it fits. You might have to move yours around a lot depending on how big or small your photo is in the corner, but you're going to see me move it around. Once we do that, you're going to duplicate it, and her social medias happen to be the same. You might have to change the social media username, so you would just double click on the social media and you would type in a new social media username. Hers are the same, so I just got to duplicate it, and I'm starting to move things around, and I'm just going to let you watch me move things around to get it to where I think looks best. From there, you are going to go to animations, and you are going to go to karaoke and click on the third blue, and then you're going to move the animation time to 3 seconds. And this is for both of the social media usernames. You're going to do the same thing. Once you are finished moving everything around, you are going to export it to your device, and you are going to add it to the final project with the cover that we created. You're going to click on the plus sign, and you're going to click on the video and click on add. And from here, we're going to make the last slide, which is the subscribe slide, and you're going to go back to the original text like we did for the second slide, and you are going to duplicate that project, and you are going to type subscribe. You can create a new project, but it's just easier if you duplicate it because you already have the photo and effects and everything there. So you're going to type in subscribe, the font is already there, and you are just going to zoom in. This is the same font like how we have in the beginning, and you are going to export it, and we're going to go back to the final project with the cover. You are going to import the subscribe slide. So from there, we are going to shrink each of the slides to just about 3 seconds. We'll probably change them a little bit later on, but we just want them a little bit shorter so they are not so long. So that's what you're going to see me do here. And from there, we're going to add transitions. So you're going to click on the line between both slides, and you are going to click transition. You're going to type in the word paper, and you're going to go to tearing paper first, and you're going to put it to about 1 second. Then you're going to go to the second transition area, and you are going to type in paper again and click where it says page turning and do 1 second as well. Then you're going to watch it back and see how you like it. I didn't think that was long enough, so that's what I meant by we're going to probably make them a little bit longer, but 3 seconds was just the average for now. And now you're just going to watch me move around the slides till I get it the way that I think is going to look best. once you get everything the way you want it to look, you are going to click where it says plus add audio. It's a gray bar underneath it, and you have all these different options. I clicked extract from audio, and I clicked a song that I wanted that I previously screen recorded, but there's plenty of different options. They have sounds, they have music on CapCut, and they have plenty of different options for songs. So those are your options, but for me on this one, I just extracted audio. And again, you're going to be watching me kind of play around with it just a little bit more. You can shrink some things, you can make them longer. There's plenty of different options that you can do here, but you're just going to finish watching me edit it a little bit. And from there, you are going to click save to device, and this will be the final project. And here's the final intro, guys.